Vincent, we happy?
Yeah, we happy.
The NEEWER PS099E is a compact 99 watt-hour V-mount battery built for filmmakers who actually move. This thing is designed for everyone who shoots, run and gun, travel light, and still needs the reliability of a full-sized power solution. Alrighty. Woo! It's good to be back. No fluff, no time wasting. Let's get straight to the business. Today we are talking about the NEEWER V-Mount Battery. This is my first personal V-Mount battery, as I finally had the chance to build myself a rigged out camera rig. Yes, I am using the Sony a6500. It's quite an old camera, but well, it's still good. It's like still good in 2025 if you know how to use it. I have combined it with the Shure 40mm anamorphic autofocus lens, as we can see. Well, okay, as we can see, it's autofocusing. Works pretty good. The autofocus on the a6500 is good. It was at the time one of the best cameras to have like really good autofocus. Everyone then understood that autofocus is a thing and it's here to stay, and now everyone has pretty much great autofocus. And anamorphic autofocus lenses, it was my dream ever since Shure released and invented the budget anamorphic lens, which was the 50mm f1.8. I really loved that lens, and I loved the 35mm even more. But that's enough about the lenses. Let's talk about the battery. And also, NEEWER were kind enough to send me their top handle with the top handle mount for the monitor. I have never had my own rigged out camera, and I don't even take it apart. It's like ready to go always. I just put it in the car and take it, and it's ready to use. And why rigging out a camera is important, in my opinion, it's important because it gives the camera that weight and also like functionality, because now I have a top handle, I have a side mounted handle, I have a V-mount battery that can power everything on this setup, including the monitor, including the camera. I can attach even more things, as this V-mount battery has many ports. At 68 mAh and 14.0 volts, it delivers the sweet spot airline safe capacity, but enough power to run most cinema cameras, monitors, wireless systems, basically anything in your rig that accepts V-mount. It fits perfectly on gimbals, shoulder rigs, cages, and light stands without turning everything into a gym workout. The shell is tough, properly ruggedized plastic that survives the usual reality of filmmaking. On the front you get a clear LED power indicator. Power outputs are generous. A standard D-tap that can run your accessories, and a USB-C port that supports PD fast charging both ways. My experience with this setup has been only positive. The battery life is great, and the top handle and the monitor mount, it's great. You can even attach even more things to it, and you have many 1/4-inch holes as well as some other mounting holes. And well, I am very happy about this whole setup. NEEWER sent this to me. They did not pay me any money. They just wanted a video. They have nothing to say about this video. It's like my own opinion, and yeah, I'm very happy and grateful. So thank you, NEEWER, for finally making my dream come true. I have a rigged out camera setup. Yes, with an old camera, but this old camera is still powerful. If you know how to use a camera, you can do stuff even with old cameras. Currently, I have Canon 5D Mark III capturing an night time lapse with stars. Even that old camera is still very usable and can produce really amazing, great results. When you talk about drones, for example, if I would have to compare like Mini 1 or maybe 2 or maybe 3 to Mini 5 Pro, yes, you can get great shots even with the Mini 1. But still, I would recommend the Mini 5 Pro as it introduced so many new features that just are groundbreaking and revolutionary, and gives you so much more creativity. And yeah, maybe go check that video out. I have a video about the Mini 5 Pro's latest and greatest feature, which is kind of not really that talked about. Even DJI didn't really address this feature properly, because like I think they should have had a 30-second at least part in the video where they talk about this feature. So go check it out, it's quite amazing. And again, thanks to NEEWER for sending these amazing tools that will help me to produce really great content and client work as well. Well, that's still content. So yeah, the battery is great. The monitor mount with the top handle is amazing. It's all really quality, well built. I'm really grateful for this. So, you know, hopefully you were able to enjoy this video, and if you did, see you in the next video.